Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today's video we're going to check out how to repay a Cleo cash advance. Once you've received a cash advance from Cleo, it's important to understand how repayment works. Thankfully, Cleo keeps the process smooth and automatic. Here's how to repay a Cleo cash advance step by step. Step 1. Know your repayment date. Now, Cleo will schedule your repayment based on your next expected payday or direct deposit date. You can find this information in the Spot Me section in your chat history. Step 2. Ensure your linked bank account has sufficient funds. Now, the repayment will be automatically withdrawn from the same bank account that you used to receive the advance. Make sure the account has enough funds to avoid a failed transaction. Step 3. Track your repayment in the app. And you can monitor your repayment progress by going to the Spot Me section or checking your transaction history in the Cleo app. Step 4. Contact support if you need help. Now, if you're unable to pay on time or you have concerns, you can message Cleo through the chat feature and ask for an extension or clarification. Repaying your cash advance is automatic and straightforward with Cleo. Just be sure to keep your account funded and you're good to go. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.